Welcome, captains! Today's showcase introduces our tugboat mission concept, implemented in the alpha version. Enjoy! Once all systems are online, we check the map for the local harbor radio channel and request a tugboat assignment.
Sosnitz, this is Harbor Tug, Breakwater. Do you have a tugboat task for us?
Breakwater. Sassnitz. Stormbreaker needs support when leaving the harbour. Proceed to the ship's location.
The tug line control panel shows line length, the allowed versus applied line tension, and a line status. With the control stick you can adjust the line length depending on the needs. Around 15 minutes later, including a near collision with a close-by sail ship, we arrive at the harbour exit, where the container ship can continue without our support.
Breakwater. You successfully finished your task. Stormbreaker will now proceed without your support. Clear the area now.
Nautic XP. Feel the waves, get the experience.